We are here at the end of this series, and I want you to ask you one question. When you practice a confident person, whenever you picture it, whenever you are looking at and imagining about the confidence person, what do you see? Someone loud, someone who never gets nervous, someone who always has the answer. What's in your mind? But what if I told you that's not the confidence at all? That's a costume. Yes. And today, episode 10, I'm going to show you what's actually underneath it. And here's the biggest myth about confidence. And that it's something you either have or you don't have, and that some people were just born with it. That's completely false, actually, because we have heard about it. He's already confident person. No, it's not. So confidence is not a personality type. It's not the absence of fear or doubt or nerves. Confidence is something you build it one small action at a time, slowly and steadily. And here's the secret nobody tells you. You have actually been building it this whole series. If you have watched each and every episode of that, you are actually building it. Every episode, every tool, you just didn't know what it was. Meet Dave, 14-year-old. For years, they've thought that confidence meant being like his cousin Rohan. That is like loud, the center of every room, never seeming to care what anyone who's thinking about and what they are thinking about. They wasn't like that. He was quieter, thoughtful. He used to think what made him less than. But this year, something in Dave had quietly changed. When he felt angry, he paused and breathed instead of snapping it down. When his friend said something hurtful, he didn't spiral it around. Does the reality check in it. When he felt jealous of his friend's achievement, he used it as a fuel for his own goals. When he felt overwhelmed before exams, he wrote it all down and took it one step at a time. And when his little sister came him upset one evening, Dave didn't lecture her, he just listened, really listened. And none of these moments were loud. None of them looked like confidence the way Dave used to picture it up. But one day his teacher pulled him aside and said, Dave, I have noticed something about you this year. You handled things. You really handled things. And for the first time, Dave realized that what confidence actually is. So here's the truth that ties this entire series together. That confidence is not a feeling. It's not feeling good about yourself all the time. Even the most confident people feel fear, doubt, anger, jealousy, overwhelm. So, confidence is what you do with those feelings. It's the PBS method when anger rises. It's the 3R method when the words hurt. It's the talk method when someone you love hurts you. It's the care method when you have hurt someone else's. It's the seed method when you feel like you are not enough. It's the free method when fears of judgments holds you back. It's the grow method when jealousy shows up. It's the calm method when everything feels like too much. And it's the hear method when someone needs you. So, confident isn't a feeling you wait for, it's a set of skills you practice, and you know now have the 9 of them. So here's your final tool, and it's different from the others because this one isn't a new method. It's a way of remembering everything you have already learned. And I want you to imagine a toolbox. Every method from this series is a tool inside it. And confidence is simply knowing whatever happens, I have something in here that can help me. Anger shows up, you reach for PBS. Words hurts you, reach for 3R method. Someone you love hurts you, try the talk method. You hurt someone, care is there. Feeling, not enough, seed. Scared of judgment, free. Jealous, grow. Overwhelmed, calm. Someone needs you, here. So you don't need to be fearless, you need to have it all figured out. You just need to know that I have tools and now how to use them. That feeling, that quiet, steady knowing, that's the confidence. Remember Dev? He wasn't loud like Rohan. He didn't become someone else. He just slowly, episode by episode, moment by moment, filled his toolbox. And one day, without realizing it, he became the calmest person in the room. Not because nothing affected him, but because he knew exactly what to do when things he did. And that's not personality, that's a toolbox. And now it's yours. So here's what I want you to remember long after this video ends. You are not behind anyone. You are not less than anyone. You feel anger, hurt, jealousy, fear, overwhelmed, just like every single person on this planet, including the ones who admires the most. You admire the most. The only difference is that now you have those tools with you, and tools, unlike talents, they are available to you absolutely everyone who's willing to practice. Confidence was never about being someone else. It was always about becoming the most equipped version of you. So here's your final challenge, my dears, not just for this week, but for this month. Pick one tool from the series, just one, the one you think you need most right now. Practice it, just that one, until it becomes natural. Then come back here and tell me in comments the tool I'm going to practice this month is. To write that. And here's something special. If you have watched this whole series, you have just completed something most adults never do, a real practical course in emotional intelligence. Go back and rewatch any episode whenever you need it. Your toolbox is always there. Share the series with one person who needs it. And remember, you don't need to be louder. You don't need to be fearless. You just need your toolbox, and you have got it all right. So, see you in the next series. Bye for now.